Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss some incredible tips on enhancing crop production using IoT technology. IoT, or Internet of Things, is a network of interconnected devices that allows us to collect, analyze, and exchange data. With the help of IoT, we can optimize various aspects of crop production, ultimately leading to better results. 1. Weather monitoring. IoT is an excellent tool for monitoring weather conditions, including temperature, humidity, and rainfall. By analyzing these data, farmers can predict weather-related issues and take necessary precautions to protect their crops. 2. Plant health management. Crop health is crucial for maximizing yield. IoT devices can monitor plant growth, including leaf temperature, stomatal conductance, and photosynthetic rate. This information can help farmers identify any issues early on and take necessary action. 3. Nutrient and water management. By continuously monitoring soil nutrient and water levels, IoT technology can help farmers optimize nutrient and water application. This not only ensures healthy plant growth but also reduces the risk of environmental contamination. 4. Farm management. IoT can also help farmers automate various tasks, such as scheduling irrigation, applying pesticides, and even scheduling harvest time. This not only saves time but also ensures consistent quality and yield. 5. Yield prediction. With the help of machine learning algorithms, IoT can predict crop yield with great accuracy. This helps farmers make informed decisions on crop rotation, fertilizer application, and other practices to maximize yield. In conclusion, IoT technology is a game changer for crop production. By optimizing various aspects such as weather monitoring, plant health management, nutrient and water management, and yield prediction, we can achieve higher crop yields with minimal intervention. The future of crop production is bright, and IoT plays a crucial role in driving this progress.